One key feature that makes the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 and 720 Pro faster and easier than ever is built-in dust collection. To use it, just slip the dust collection blade into the slot on the drill guide block. And you can actually insert it from either direction. And it comes with an adapter that fits full-size vacuum hoses, or if you're using a smaller hose, it will just pop right on. And drilling with dust collection hooked up makes things easier by eliminating the mess. But removing the chips efficiently also makes it possible to drill pocket holes faster, and it keeps the drill bit cooler, which helps it stay sharp longer.